Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to take screenshot on PC. So let's start the video. Method is very simple. What you have to do, simply just press FN and Print Screen button, or known as Home button, together. The screenshot has been taken. Now how to save it? Click on Search bar at the taskbar, search Paint here, click on it to open it. Now press Ctrl+V to paste the screenshot here. Here's the screenshot. Now click on File, and then Save As. Now here are the formats. Choose the format you want to save the screenshot. Let's say PNG picture. Click on it. Now choose the folder where you want to save the screenshot. Then click on Save. Now as you can see, the screenshot has been saved. So this is the way to take screenshot on PC. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.